Oh, hey there. My name is Mr. Yun. I'm your homeroom teacher. And this is your homeroom, or as I like to call it, Awesome Central. What exactly is a homeroom, you ask? Well, for those of you that don't know, homeroom is a non-academic course, meaning there's really no assignments or grades, and it's just sort of a course shell that is a place for you to maybe socialize, find some forms, and sign up for field trips, and it's an information hub page, really. So if we take a quick gander, you'll see, oh hey, there's me and my awesome face, my phone number, my email address, and my Zoom room. Why would you need to contact me? Well, you can ask me anything about Palks, anything about Canvas and using the sites. You could ask me questions about technical things or school events, things like that. Kind of like a traditional school teacher in a brick and mortar classroom. I might not be able to help you specifically with school things like how do I do this math problem, but I can help you with school things in general. Some important links I have floating around here. Right now, it's the beginning of the year. I don't have a whole lot, but I've got a link here to the Palks lobby that you're all probably pretty familiar with. There you go, the old Palks lobby. I have what's called a teacher in-out board. Hopefully we're still using it this year. If you're trying to get in touch with the teacher and you can't get a hold of them, it might be because they're out of the office that day, and you can find that right here. So like there's me, Mr. Yund, in the office. So there's that, and then the ever important extension requests form. We're not granting extensions quite yet, but when we have a form, I will link it right here, and that basically is like a slip form that helps you get a couple extra days to get work done at the end of a progress check or marking period. Fun tip for the beginning of the year: no extension requests will be granted when the school year ends. So you pretty much have the last day of school to get that marking period for work done in. All right, we'll have announcements here. Things like field trips and upcoming events I'll put in here underneath the little radio, and those will be usually links into the modules of the course. So there'll be basically links to the events and things going on in school, the happenings. I might put some kind of discussion forum in here for just posting social stuff. And that's really it. So it's just a good place to find information about the school and the events that are going on. Things like student government announcements, assemblies, and field trips. And then those important links that I put right there. More things will probably show up. I would check back maybe first thing every morning or at least every couple of days to look for new field trips and events that are happening. Right here, Testing Central, coming soon. For those of you that are familiar with map testing from last year and the years before, the word on the street is things are going to be changing up a little bit. So I'm not exactly sure how that kind of testing is going to go this year, but once I find out and I build some pages for it, you'll be able to find that information here. So that's it for now. Welcome to my homeroom. Feel free to message me really about anything, anytime. I'm here as a resource for you. So use me if you need me. Have a wonderful day and welcome back to school.